Picture this. The sun rises across a canvas of endless blue, and your family steps onto a powder-soft beach, the Caribbean breeze carrying away the last traces of school, work, and ordinary routine. For the next 7 days, the hardest decision you'll make is whether to drift down the lazy river before or after a gourmet breakfast. No cooking, no dishes, no constant calculating. Just freedom, laughter, and luxury your family never thought possible. Too often, vacations become projects. Timelines packed with finding restaurants, tracking expenses, mediating sibling spats in cramped hotel rooms, and returning home more worn out than when you left. You open the credit card bill and wince, realizing that a piecemeal budget trip often costs far more than you ever intended. But what if your dreams of escaping the routine were not just possible, but actually within reach at less than the cost of that last stressful getaway? Now imagine this as your reality. 7 nights at the Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun, an all-inclusive luxury resort where everything from oceanfront suites and flight tickets to unlimited gourmet meals, surf and turf dinners, sunset cocktails, and thrilling water slides is part of the adventure. All for $1,995 per person, no hidden costs, no surprises. And with a simple monthly payment plan, you don't have to choose between your dream vacation and your family's budget. This isn't an elaborate pitch or a too-good-to-be-true promise. It's a meticulously built bundle with every detail covered. 2 interconnected suites so teens and parents can enjoy their own space. 9 world-class restaurants. A private airport ride waiting for you in Cancun. Kids clubs where new friendships are made over crafts and treasure hunts, while adults enjoy spotless beaches, infinity pools, and premium drinks. Every moment, planned or spontaneous, is yours to savor together. Let's rewind. Compare the usual family trip. 2 adjoining hotel rooms at $200 a night each, hundreds on restaurant meals, theme park admission, overpriced concession snacks, rental cars, gas, and a flight you tacked on last minute. Suddenly, you're staring down a $9,000 tab, and that's before you count the hours lost poring over TripAdvisor reviews or standing in line just to check in. Now swap that chaos for total peace of mind. Everything is included. Gourmet meals for every palate, midnight snacks via room service, pools galore, water sports, nightly entertainment your kids will talk about for years, and a team dedicated to keeping you safe and cared for. And because we've negotiated group rates with Royalton, it all costs less than you thought possible. That means more for less stress, less decision fatigue, and more time creating laughter-soaked memories. Worried about picky eaters? There are Italian classics, Asian specialties, burger bars, and kids' favorites everywhere you look. Anxious about safety? The resort is secure with supervised clubs for ages 4-12, a dedicated teen lounge, 24/7 security, and trained staff ready to ensure every member of the family is happy and supported. Want to explore? The Mayan ruins, eco-parks, and the vibrant pulse of Cancun await nearby. Or just swing in a hammock and let the day drift by. Everything is customizable for your family's pace. Don't take our word for it. Canadian families from Toronto to Brampton have traveled this path. Last year, we paid $8,500 for a non-stop, stressful Disney trip. This was less, financially and emotionally. We came home relaxed, reconnected, and already planning our return. Others rave. I couldn't believe we didn't open our wallets once. No surprises, just smiles, and we felt like millionaires, even on a normal budget. Nothing in the Caribbean compares to the level of all-in, family-first luxury you'll find at Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. Certified excellence, gourmet food, world-class water park, private transfers, oceanfront rooms, reliable Canadian travel professionals, and support before, during, and after your stay. If your vacation doesn't exceed expectations, you get your money back. It's our promise because we know what families deserve. The only catch? Availability is limited. The group rate only lasts as long as we have coordinated packages left. Booking is simple. Call, email, or book online. Choose your dates, pay a deposit, and relax as we engineer the stress-free family escape you've been waiting for. Looking back years from now, it won't be the dollar amounts that stand out, but the thrill of racing down a slide, the taste of a new dish beside the sea, the discovery that vacations can actually bring your family closer together.